Understanding the phrase, crow call. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that often puzzles learners, crow call. This term can have different meanings depending on the context, and we'll delve into each one. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in a conversation. So, let's get started. In its most literal sense, a crow call is the sound a crow makes. Crows are known for their distinctive caw-caw sound. However, in English, we rarely use the phrase to refer to the actual sound. When we do, it's usually in a descriptive context, often in literature or storytelling, to set a scene or describe the environment. More interestingly, crow call is sometimes used idiomatically. When used in a non-literal way, it can refer to communication that goes ignored or unheeded, much like how people might ignore the cawing of crows. It's not a common idiom, but it serves to illustrate situations where someone's words or efforts fail to garner attention or a response. Another layer to the phrase, crow call, can be a cultural reference. In some Native American cultures, the crow is a symbol of wisdom and the keeper of sacred law. A crow call, in these contexts, might allude to the calling of wisdom or a sign of a significant change or message coming from the spiritual realm. In our journey through the phrase, crow call, we've seen that it can describe a natural sound, an idiomatic expression, or even a cultural symbol. Context is key in understanding which meaning is intended. Thank you for watching, and we hope this explanation helps you in grasping the nuances of English phrases. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these expressions like a native speaker.